Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone doing well. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Desi and today I'm creating Sonakshi Sinha Bollywood actress wedding makeup look. Oh my god, she's looking stunning in her wedding look. Very natural, very light. This makeup you can do yourself, so you don't need to go any beauty parlor. So guys, without delay a time, let's begin. So first make sure clean your skin properly to get flawless result. Apply serum from Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum and apply face and in the neck as well. Then apply moisturizing. Moisturizing I'm using from Nivea Repair and Care. Very lightweight for the hydrating my skin. You can apply according to your skin types. Next, apply sunscreen lotion from Solid 50 SPF high moisturizing sun lotion to protect your skin from sun and sun rays and long lasting makeup. Next, apply eye serum from Clinique. Roll on all about the eye serum to reduce puffing, eye fine lines and keep your eyes hydrating. Then apply lip balm. I'm using Tint in Balm from YSL to keep lip plump and smooth. So I done my skincare and I'm going to leave my skin 4 to 5 minutes. Next, apply primer. Primer I'm using from e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is grip primer. Apply in the skin and allow to set 30 seconds to absorb into the skin. This primer for all types of skin. And your makeup sits top of the primer and for long lasting makeup as well. Next, I'm doing color correcting for the slightly black circle eyes and uneven skin tone. And I'm applying under eyes and where I have got uneven skin tone. Please use color correcting according to your skin conditions. Color correcting I'm using from Revelation Ultimate Radiant Peach Color. Next, apply foundation. I'm using foundation from Rimmel London. Lasting finish 25 hours hydrating boost SPF 20. Shade number 400 natural beige matte finish. So when you take the pictures, not flashing back. Next, apply concealer. Concealer from L'Oreal, True Match Lightweight, very long lasting, not creasing under eyes after long hours. Then apply under eyes, forehead, near mouth, chin and top of the lips. Then I'm going to leave concealer for the few minutes to become tacky to get more coverage. Then apply contour cream stick I'm using from NYX medium tan. Then apply in the cheekbone, forehead, jawline to give face structures and definition. If you are not big fan of the doing contouring, you can escape. Then blend out till the smooth and seamless look. Next, blend out concealer and make sure blend out till the smooth and leave it to dry before apply the loose translucent powder. Next, apply eyebrow fixing clear gel, fix and place for the long lasting eyebrow makeup. After apply, let it dry before apply the eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow pencil, I am using my favorite MUA micro fine pencil, easy to apply, and I'm going to just fill the sparse area, and I'm going to keep my eyebrow looks natural. Next, apply same concealer in the eyelid and blend out till the smooth and let it dry. Next, apply loose translucent powder and apply in the eyelid, side of the nose, under eyes, near mouth and the forehead very slightly to set up concealer and prevent to get creases and for the long lasting makeup. Now I'm doing eye makeup. She turned very light copper or nude color of only one eyeshadow she used. So I'm using eyeshadow from Revolution and I'm using light brown color and apply in the whole eyelid and eye crease. Next, apply eyeliner. I'm using eyeliner from Rimmel London, waterproof for the long lasting. Even when you cry, your eyeliner not going anywhere. Sonakshi wedding makeup is all about the bold eyeliner wing created. So I'm creating bold eyeliner wing. Next, apply mascara. Mascara from MUA Loaded Lash XL Intense Impact Volume Mascara. After mascara applied, you can wear fake eyelashes. Is optional, guys. Then apply black eye pencil and apply in the waterline. Then apply same eyeshadow in the lower eyelashes and smoke out, and this eyeshadow will be hold your eye pencil. Next, apply powder bronzer. Bronzer from MUA Sun Kissed Bronze and apply in the cheekbone, forehead, jawline and hold the cream contour. Next, apply liquid blush, very light peach cheek water flip blush from Look Me and apply in the high point of the cheekbone and can blend out from your clean finger. Next, apply powder blush from Revolution, Cheeky is called, and apply in the high point of the cheekbone. Next, apply the lip liner from Revolution and apply to look lip bigger and fuller and create the lip shape. Finally, apply lipstick. So guys, I can't give the name of the lipsticks was from. Remove the label. So this is look like a nude, light pink or peachy color. She didn't wear any bold or dark color of the lipsticks. Her lip makeup looks light and natural. So guys, this is my final look. You can do this makeup very easily, simple, natural and same time stunning glamorous wedding look. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, comments, likes and share the video. It's helped me to build up my channel. Without your support, I can't increase my views. So guys, see you in the next video. Take care everyone. Love you all. Bye.